Oh, whakalawhatu, te, whakalawhatu. Malona kai. Ia. Whakalawhatu makou. Aho nea, ho whanau e tamawhina haku, ko Indi, ko Hongfulu e tau. Kamata e tau se a whanau halaua. Ho hoko mai a mga whao haku. Ko he Instagram famous David.
Yeah.
Vai kupu.
Happy birthday, Indi. Just message your parents. They're good. You're better than your brother. Wait.
Wait. Just got the older sister here, Sandy. Got Mrs. Alice Springs. Welcome back. She's looking. Oh, got some food. Got Indi. We're just cooking some Niue talo. Some sapa sui with the old broccoli now. Getting a bit bougie with the broccoli. What's the 7-piece dip?
Yeah.
Mexicana. Yeah, avocado. Yep, making that. Don't know what's in here. Some goodies. What's this? Filipino. Ooh. It's all on. It's all on. Want to say anything, Indi?
My friend Alan.
Oh, we have to ask your parents if you're allowed on.
I'm allowed.
Oh, yeah?
I'm allowed.
Okay. You want to say anything for your friend? Happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
All right. Okay. Got Lily. That's Lily, cousin. Ariana, anywhere? Oh, Ariana's getting ready. This is Nana Terry. Me, Kwamai.
Happy birthday, Indi. Love you so much. Suksan, one kid. Monrina, Afana. Yeah, happy day. And you are such a beautiful girl, and it's great to see you growing and thriving and enjoying life. And I love it. I love being a part of your life. So bless you, God bless you on this really special day. And it's great that we can all come here and celebrate you. Happy birthday, darling. Love you.
Forgot. The table's coming together well. Oh my God. Vai kupu.
Indi whakawalahi atu. Monuina e a whanau hau. Monuina fo kia koe ka whanau tau he aonga ki whakeatu he toa e ruigo mai maroro kia koe. O e lahi he wina kia mai ki inu si ke kai e keke a whanau hau. Hai a mai Indi.
Oh. Vai kupu.
Hey, mama he tūri mo. So hey, John. Ei mita ke mo hau.
Oh, ai tupe. Whako e mai ki ke whelewe a whanau Indi.
Oh,
Hongfulu e tau.
Hongfulu. Ui, teenager soon. Yeah. Whai kupu mo whakamui.
Oh,
Ia.
whako e. Had to ue low. Not enough. One table not enough, so I had to make 2 tables. What are these, Hannah? Are these Filipino breeds?
Yeah.
Penne what?
Penekeke.
Oh, penekeke from Filipinos. Shucks. Oh, Palawan.
Over there. Yeah.
Where is this one from?
From
Farmer?
Yeah, from Farmer.
Is it farmers? No. We'll give the test. Oh, Palawan. Palawan.
There's another one there as well.
Damn, we got Filipino bread. Nice with a cup of tea.
Mina tu foki koe whataha mai mātua tuto. Mina kia ini, ke longa fo, ke tawa.
Whakalawhatu makau, o si te tau tūtala, o si tau speeches, o si e leongi e kai. Just got some more food. A long e tau tupe, but pese ni, man, good spread. tufu e tokai. Everybody brought something to share. And yeah, this looks like a good lunch. Great speeches. Yep. To the Lowmore family, if you've just seen the video I posted before, got another youth event coming up. Just gotta go through the taki. Got David, he's saying Sipayo Hakupu song.
Yeah.
Good song, Dave.
Hey, just for quick shout out to Hayden. So yeah, listen to your parents, Cindy. Just give it up.
Yeah.
To this big guy here, John. Good news here. This is safe for Hayden, James Moore. Give it up, brother.
Forward.
What is this?
Oh. Everyone.
Yes, it's long grain. Long.
The dessert table looks good. Jelly and fruits. Whakalofatu mako. Whakalofatu.
Ai, whakalofatu. O mai ke kai masolo. E mo mai ke kai masolo e ngako. Hai. Nice ka, bitaki. Kai masolo e la protein.
Ako. This is persimmon, dragon fruit. Got some mussels in here too. This is ahone aho whanau e tamata ane hako. Walo e tau. It's my son's birthday today. He's turning 8. He's got the cupcakes, some jelly, and some mango sege looking thing. The reason why it's green and red is my son's favorite player is Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal. And I think that's Portugal's colors. So, yep, he's happy. Makalili ahone. It's Jaxon. Ronaldo. That's sorry, Jerry. Number 7. Ronaldo Cristiano. Here's the famous umu. Palangi umu. I've got some valapovi. Mamoi. Can't go wrong. With the masolo, I can manongi. Manongi. Kikila la, we're blessed with the sun. Lucky. Good weather today. Yep, say kamata holoa. Sup peeps? My son's birthday today. He's turning 8. Should be good. His language is going good. His wangahau Niue starting to pick up, become more normalized in the house. So hopefully when he turns 9 will be even better and better. So yeah, again, thank you to everyone that watches the videos. You probably know that these videos are Niue orientated. So thanks for watching. Thank you for the comments and all the views, all the likes. Hope you guys are all doing well. It was 8 degrees here, and it was 8 degrees here in the morning. So it's makalili. Also, petrol's gone down to $2.13 at our Pack and Save in GI. $2.13. It was $3.50 at one point, one of my older videos, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. So petrol's coming down. Hopefully it comes down to the under $2. But yeah, all good. I hope you guys are well, stay safe, and Jackson's favorite team, Portugal. Mitaki?
Why is it boiling?
Oh, I was waiting. You can boil it now. Not nice.
It would have been nice.
Cook longer.
I think it's
Is this the pork, Dave? Did you make the pork? Oh, man. Hey, Dave, I've got the right colour on.
Bday Jaxon, wish you all the best, bro. Listen to your prayers. Just been a good cousin. Yep. For sure. God, man, love, man. Listen to your family. Yeah. Different. Happy birthday, bro.
She.
Sorry.